Hi everyone, welcome to Elegant Fashion Tutorial. My name is Charles Peace. Elegant Fashion is bringing to you different styles, different African designs. So we'll be showing you different styles on dress, tops, skirts, which you can rock in any occasion. You can make it for your customers as well. Now I'll be presenting to you different African tops. Do you like this video? Drop your comment at the comment section and give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.